Good evening, children. Am I audible? Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah. Good evening, children.
Good evening.
Yeah, I've shared my screen. It's visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please start working. This is exponents chapter revision. Please start working this. Gayatri, you've already completed this, is it?
No, ma'am. Only second one ma'am.
Okay, fine. No, I just wanted to check if you had finished it because the other day you said you had finished everything on assignments. I'm sorry, on exponents, right?
No, ma'am. I only said that till 2 you said given homework that day, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, children. Chapter revision, exponents. Please start working.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, Netra, ma'am.
Yeah,
In
Netra.
between, I did not attend session, so some questions are doing, ma'am.
Netra, come again. I can't get you.
Ma'am, in between, I did not attend sessions, ma'am. So some questions are doing.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay, then have I shared the recordings on exponents with you?
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
No, have I shared the recordings on exponents with you?
Ma'am, you shared the one recording, ma'am.
Okay, then what would you like to do? Shall I share the
Pre-read
recordings? Will you watch that today? No, I said I'll share the recordings. Will you leave the meeting and watch the recordings today and try this as homework later?
Okay, ma'am.
No, you have to decide. I'm just suggesting. Because if you cannot work, then there's no point staying in the meeting. So what I say is, I'll share the recordings now on exponents with you. Watch them. And then you can use this recording to complete the classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In that case, you can use
Ma'am,
the
can you
PowerPoint.
share it with me too, ma'am?
Oh, Harsha also, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harsha, fine. I'll share the recordings now. Please watch them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Harsha and Netra can leave the call. Yeah, the others
Yes,
start
ma'am.
working. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. The others, please
Thank
start
you,
working.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Harsha. Thank you, Netra. Yes, Ovia. Correct. It's okay if you are you able to try? No problem. Just do as much as you can.
Ma'am, question number 1, first part, should it be given an exponent's answer or like the full
No,
value?
evaluate meaning you should find the value.
Okay,
The
fine.
value.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this a test?
Yes, it is chapter revision. Yes, not testing the sense we'll discuss now. I'm giving you 10 minutes time to finish till here. 10 minutes time to finish till here because you already started working. So from now 10 minutes, I'll get back and we'll discuss the answers till here and then you will continue like that.
I just joined, ma'am. Okay, I'll do it right now.
Yeah.
For this, we have a doubt now. But first, we have to find the breadth right now. But for finding the breadth, the formula is area divided by length.
No, but if area is not given, you should use perimeter and length to find the breadth.
So we should divide perimeter and length.
No, no, no. Remember perimeter, semi-perimeter.
Yes.
Done the first 5 questions, children. Question number 1, the 5 subdivisions in question number 1. Have we all finished?
Just a second, ma'am. I'm in the last one.
Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, question 1, part
Yeah.
2, 3 are same. Oh, sorry. I
All
didn't
right.
see the multiplication sign.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, it's time to discuss the answers to the first 5. That is the to all the subdivisions in question number 1. Yes, the first answer. 1 minute. Just take a picture. Yeah, who's ready with the answer to question number 1? Yeah, children, now please continue. I have a parent here. Please continue. Yeah, Aishwarya, answer this one. Aishwarya. Anantika.
Ma'am, so to make the power positive, we are going to do the reciprocal. So minus 7 upon 2 raised to the power 4 into minus 5 upon 7.
Yeah. Next step.
Yeah. Next step, so we multiply minus 7 upon 2 4 times into minus 5 upon 7 2 times.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, correct. Next.
So 7 twice cancels out.
Yeah.
And if we see the powers, it comes positive because yeah, so minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, like that. So we get 7 sevens are 49 into 25.
Yeah. How much is that? Is it
It's
1225?
1225 upon 16. 4
16.
fours are
Very
16.
good. Very good. Yes.
So
That's the
the
correct answer.
yeah, so the mixed fraction would be 76 upon 9 upon 60.
Okay, fine. How much? Come again?
76 9 upon 16.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, all of you, you can leave your answer as a improper fraction also. You can leave your answer here. 1225 over 16. Mixed fraction is also fine. Others, check your answer.
Yeah, ma'am, got it right.
Yeah, next one. Who wants to try the next one?
Mom, I want to, but I already answered.
Okay. Yeah. Lakshana, second one.
Ma'am, 2
Yeah.
by 8. Sorry, ma'am. 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, so to make the power positive, the reciprocal of both will be 3 by 2 to the power 2 minus 4 by 1 to the power 2.
Very good. Next step.
Ma'am, since it is minus, so 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 4 by 1 into 4 by 1,
Okay.
which
So
will
this
be
is
9.
3 by 2 into 3 by 2 minus 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. So 4 into 4. Correct. Next.
Is 9 by 4 minus 16.
Very good. Then
So LCM will be 4. So it is 9 minus 64 but
very
upon
good.
4. So it is minus 55 upon 4.
Very good. You can leave it like this. You don't have to convert this to a mixed fraction. You can leave it like this. Very good.
Okay, ma'am, but I converted it to mixed fraction. Is that wrong?
No. That's fine. So what will the mixed fraction be? 1?
13 3 minus 13 3 upon 4.
Yeah, correct. Minus 13 3 upon 4. Correct. Yeah. Just a second, children. Please continue with your work. I'll just get back. Very good. Okay. See you.
Ma'am, can you just move to the slide with the questions? I'll just take a screenshot.
Yeah.
1 second. Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah, who wants to share the third answer?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yes, Gayatri.
Okay, ma'am. It's 2 by 3 into 1 by 4, ma'am. Sorry,
Yeah.
2 by 3 minus 2 power minus 2 into 1 by 4. Ma'am. Ma'am, so to get the positive power, we need to find the equivalent, ma'am. So
Some other
3 by
method. No. Tell me some other way.
oh, we are having the same powers, ma'am.
So what is the law? Tell me the law. A to the power or A by B to the power
To the power m,
into
c to the power d, c by d to the power m, ma'am.
very good is equal to
A by b into c by d to the whole power m, ma'am.
very good. Yes.
So, ma'am, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4.
So 2 by
So
3 the whole power minus 2 into 1 by 4 the whole power minus 2 will be equal to 2 by 3
2 into 1 by 4 to the whole power minus 2, ma'am.
very good.
That's 2 by 12.
No, you can
So the
simplify.
whole-
2 ones are 2 twos are.
Okay, ma'am. So 1 by 6 to the whole power minus 2, ma'am. And
Okay.
it's 6 power 2, ma'am.
Then it is
6 power 2, ma'am.
correct. 6 by 1. It will be 6 by 1 the whole square, which is nothing but 6 square or 36. Very good,
Okay, ma'am.
Gayatri. Very nice. Girls are doing very well. Fifth one. Oh no, not 5, 4. I'll just wait in case you have to take down the answer. I'll just wait for a minute.
Can I answer the fourth one?
Yeah, 1 minute. Anantika, as you rightly said, let me just ask the others and come back if nobody has an answer. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Ma'am, I finished doing the second question, ma'am.
Second one, meaning question number 2, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then maybe I'll ask you that.
Done with question till question 5, just saying.
Hmm. Yeah, the fourth one. Ariston. Oh, Ariston, were you here for the classes on exponents, Ariston?
No, ma'am, I just joined late.
Correct, correct. Okay. Have you made a note of the
But
answers?
I'm trying to solve this. I solved the second sum and all.
Okay, nice. Gayatri answered Aishwarya is not able to unmute. Anantika, Ariston, Shreya and Lakshana. Okay, okay, Anantika then. Coming back to you. Anantika, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Yes, so question 4, we take the reciprocal to make the power positive. So 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. The LCM would be 25.
25?
Sorry, 35. Sorry, 35.
Hmm.
I looked at another sum by mistake. So 7 sevens are 49 plus 5 fives are 25. So we get 74 upon 35.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, fifth one, Shreya. Or Lakshana, fifth one, Shreya wants to say the second answer. Fifth one, Lakshana.
Ma'am, it is 5 by 7 to the power minus 1 into 7 by 5 to the power minus 1. Since the powers are same, so we can just like 5 by 7 into 7 by 5, the whole power minus 1.
Yeah, tell me the law. Tell me the law. A by B to the power
M into
Into?
C by D to the power M.
is equal to.
A by B into C by D, the whole to the power M.
Very good. Very good. So the question 5 by 7 to the power minus 1 into 7 by 5 to the power minus 1 will be. Continue. Yes, Lakshana.
Into 7 by 5 to the whole power minus 1.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, so 5 and 7 will be cancelled. So it will be
5
1.
and 7, no?
No, ma'am, on both sides, 5 and 7 will be cancelled.
Okay, so 5 and 7 gets cancelled. So it will be
1 to the power minus 1.
hmm,
It is 1.
how
Ma'am,
you
reciprocal of 1 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 1. So it is nothing but 1.
very good. So reciprocal of the base is 1, negative of the power 1. So which is 1. Reciprocal of the base 1, negative of the power minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 1 to the power 1 is 1. Very good. All of you doing so well. I'm so happy. Yes, now over to Shreya. Children, just continue. I'm getting a call from our student here, Sai Smriti. I need to attend the call. Please continue working. I'll get back. Yeah, thank you, children. Yeah, Shreya, you wanted to answer the second one? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. So I did this sum in the fastest and the simplest way that popped in my mind. So the question is, if 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125, then what is x? So the question is given. So I changed 25 to 5 to the power 2 and 125 into 5 to the power 3. So it was easy for me to use simple equation and simplify the powers. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3. 2x plus 1.
No, darling. No, darling. This is correct. This is correct. But the way you have carried forward the answer is incorrect. No, darling. That's wrong. To equate, you must have only one base and power on one side, one base and power on the other side. Only then you can equate.
Can I answer?
Oh, 1 minute. I'll just make this clear. See, when is it ready to meaning when is the equation ready to use the rule? Bases are same, so we are equating the powers. When is the equation ready? When do you think it is ready to use the rule that when bases are same, we can equate the powers? It should be in this form. You can have like base a to the power m is equal to the same base a to some other power n. Then we say m is equal to n. That means there should be only one base raised to some power, base and raised to some power. So since the bases are same on both the sides, we equate the powers. Now, when the question is like a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power, like p. That's how the question looks like, right? Do you understand? See, the bases are same everywhere. This is like A, 5 is A, 5 is A, 5 is A. Okay, so 5 is like A. And then A to the power 2x plus 1. So some power m divided by A to the power some other A raised to some other power n is equal to A base 5 raised to some other power p. When the equation is like this, you cannot use that rule. Bases are same, so we equate the powers. When can you use that rule? When you have the same base A on both the sides and equal to sign like this and the power mn here. So the left hand side and right hand side must be completely simplified. The LHS and RHS must be completely simplified. Do we understand? Now, is the left hand side completely simplified, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not, because you can still simplify 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 5 square. That can be simplified. So you must say, okay, so you must, in simple words, the LHS and RHS must be completely simplified to use that rule. Otherwise, you cannot use it. So let me explain like what is that completely simplified. See here. So going with the first step, according to Shreya. So she said, write 25 as 5 square and 125 as 5 cubed. Now here bases are same and it's division. So you can subtract the powers. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 5 cubed. So simplifying the powers, 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 cubed. Now look at the left hand side and the right hand side. It's completely simplified. That is, you have base 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1. And on the right hand side, we have base 5 raised to the power 3. On either side, if you see, the left-hand side is completely simplified. Right-hand side is also simplified. It was already like that. Now you can use the rule. Bases are same, 5, 5 on both the sides. So we equate the powers. So the equation should look like this. In order to use the rule, bases are same. So we equate the powers. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think you missed question number 5, part 5 of question 1.
I think somebody answered that, no? Lakshana answered that.
Oh.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
now
I did
here,
it a bit different, but I think the answer would come same.
yeah, the only other thing you could have done is
The division, I took it to the right side multiplying. That's all. That's what I did. That's the only change.
no, you should have done 7 by 5 into 5 by 7 and got
No,
1
ma'am,
by
not
2.
this. The other question
Oh,
that you were discussing now.
okay, okay. Yeah, I'll tell you the alternate method. Yes, yes. This I just continued working with the help of the equation Shreya gave me. Okay, so now we say bases are same, equating the powers. Equating the powers we get. We get 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. X is equal to 2. 4 by 2, which is 2. This is one way of working. Or you can also do it like this. Or
I did it in the alternate method, ma'am.
sorry, Shreya.
I think I did it in the alternate method, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just work it and then explain. So you can also do it like this. You can also do it like this. So first I change this one. See, we have the division sign here, no? Division sign. So when we have 4 divided by 5, you can write it as 4 by 5 like this. When you have 4 divided by 5, you can write it as 4 by 5 like this. So that's what I've done. Divided by 25. So I write it as 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 like this. Then I cross multiply. 125 into 25. Now 125 is 5 cubed, 25 is 5 squared. Now bases are same, it's multiplication. So we add the powers and we get 5 to the power 5. Now you can see that the LHS and RHS, they're completely simplified. Now bases are same, write that rule. Bases are same, so equating the powers we get 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. On transposing, 5 minus 1, 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. Now tell me if you have any question, children. Those who have not done this, I'll just wait for some time. Please write down this answer in your book. Write down, and then if you have any question, please ask me. Or if you've done it. Yeah.
Even though I didn't do it in both of these methods, how did I still get the same answer, ma'am?
Okay, then you have to read out your steps. Don't explain, just read out what you have written. Okay, 1 minute. I'll tell you to read out, then you do it. Now I'm just giving the others time to write down in case they haven't completed this.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the next question we have to do?
Yeah, 1 second. Or if you finish writing this,
Yes, ma'am. I got the same answer.
yeah, Shreya, now read out your answer.
I did like the alternate method that you had explained.
Okay, nice. Shreya, now read out your steps.
Ma'am, can I start from the simple equation part?
Yeah, tell me.
2x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3. 2x plus 1 is 5 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2, which is 2 by 1. So x is equal to 2.
Yeah, correct. Okay, fine. Yeah, without adding, you straight away equated. That's fine. Correct? You didn't add 2 and 3. You straight away equated 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3, correct?
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I did.
Yeah. Have we finished this one, children? Are we ready to discuss these answers?
Yes,
Question number
ma'am.
3?
I have done till question 8.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I'm Sai Smriti, ma'am.
Oh, you were able to join only now, is it?
Yes, ma'am, because now I'm attending in my phone, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So, Sai Smriti, we were just revising exponents. You can see the 9 questions on your screen. We have discussed the answers to 1 and 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now we should see, ma'am.
No, some of them have finished more than 3, like no, I think it's better you listen to the answers, because now if you start working, I don't know if you can finish. So you can just listen to the discussion now, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Lakshana, how far have you finished?
Ma'am, I completed third one, ma'am, and I'm
Okay, fine. Yes, Lakshana, what's the answer for this one? Write this in the usual form.
ma'am, it's 2 followed by 3 zeros, then 1, again followed by 4 zeros.
So this is actually what 2 0 0 0 1 followed by 8 zeros, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros, and then you must place the decimal point 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 here. Is this what you're saying, Lakshana?
Ma'am, I did not do it by putting 8 zeros, then placing the decimal. I right away got it.
Fine.
Ma'am, can I try the next one?
Yeah,
So 2514 and 4 zeros.
correct. So 2514 first followed by 7 zeros, right? And then you must place a decimal point here. So it becomes 2514 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. The next one, 4.129 into 10 to the power minus 3. Gayatri,
Yes, ma'am. 0.20.
so the first step will be 4.129 divided by 10 cubed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's nothing but 4.129 divided by 1000, or you can just place a decimal point. So it's divided by 1000. So since it's divided by 1000, it will be, tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, 0.00414.
Correct, correct. Yes, Ariston, I'm not asking you because you were not there when we discussed all this. Meaning when we learned all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. This one, who can answer?
Ma'am, Anantika.
Yeah.
One second. Question number 3, 4. Okay, so it's 0 point followed by 4 zeros and then 5.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, those who have not finished have to take a screenshot so that you can complete it and check your answer later.
Yes, ma'am, all correct.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, if you have not finished, children, please take a picture so that you can complete it and then compare your answer, check your answer with this one. Yeah. Yes, children.
Ma'am, in question number 8, I got what I I got the basic values for solving, but I did not exactly understand what should be the answer, like what is supposed to be solved at the end.
Okay, we'll do it.
It's a bit confusing.
Yes, children, answer for this one.
And can I?
Yeah.
So to make the power positive, we are going to take the reciprocal. So 1 by minus 1 upon 3 raised to the power 4.
Yeah.
So 3, so yes, ma'am, we write it 4 times, multiply. Yeah. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 9s are 81. So because there are 4 signs of negative, it will become positive.
Very good. Next one. Yeah, somebody volunteer, see, like Anantika, volunteer to answer, children.
Ma'am, it's minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3.
Oh.
You missed the minus sign. Yes.
Yeah. Minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Yes. Yeah, children. Okay, so this I'll do it for you. Now the bases are not exactly the same. The bases are minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So they're not the same. So look at this. Write minus 2 by 3 as minus 1 into 2 by 3. The whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Is this step understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I did not use the law. I did it like without using the law.
Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll do it both the ways. So the bases are not exactly the same. It's minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. So you can make the bases the same like this. So minus 2 by 3 is nothing but minus 1 into 2 by 3. Minus 1 into 2 by 3. Okay, so now it's minus 1. It's minus 1 the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3 the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3 the whole power minus 2. You should use the power minus 3 for both minus 1 and 2 by 3. So it'll be minus 1 to the power minus 3 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Now here, reciprocal of the base, minus 1, reciprocal of the base, negative of the power, into, here you can use the rule, base are same, so we add the powers. Minus 3 plus minus 2. So here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 5. So it's minus 1 into 3 by 2 to the power 5, which is minus 1 into, what is 3 to the power 5? 243. And 2 to the power 5 is 32. So it's minus 243 by 32. You don't have to write it as a mixed fraction. You can leave it like this. Minus 243 by 32.
Ma'am, I didn't get the same answer.
Okay, I'll do it the other way. We'll do it again. We'll do the same thing again, children. We'll do the same thing again. See here. This is what question number 4, subdivision 2. I hope all of you are listening. The question is minus 2 by 3, the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3, the whole power minus 2. See, the bases are not exactly the same. So we'll try to make the bases the same. Minus 2 by 3, the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3, the whole power minus 2 is equal to. Now, minus 2 by 3 can be written as minus 1 into 2 by 3, the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3, the whole power minus 2. So this is equal to, now the power minus 3 will be applied for both the terms in the bracket. So it will be minus 1 to the power minus 3 and 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 into 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Now to find the value of this one, reciprocal of the base, negative of the power, into, here use the law. When bases are same and it's multiplication, we add the powers. We add the powers. And here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 into 2 by 3, the whole power minus 5. Now to find the value, you have to make the power positive. So it will be 3 by 2 to the power 5. So that is equal to minus 1 into 3 to the power 5 is 3 into 3. 3 multiplied with itself 5 times, 243. 2 multiplied with itself 5 times is 32. So it is minus 243 by 32. Just
Can
answer.
I get the steps that I performed?
No, I'll do it. And you just check if you've gone wrong somewhere, since you've not got the right answer. Okay, I'll do it for you. See you, children. Yeah, take a screenshot, children. Please take a picture.
Yes, ma'am, taking.
Just a second.
Yeah. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Take the screenshot.
Yeah. So the other way of going this is minus 2 by 3 the whole power minus 3 into 2 by 3 the whole power minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 reciprocal of the base negative of the power into 2 by 3 the whole power. Oh, here also reciprocal of the base negative of the power. Reciprocal of the base negative of the power. So this is minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So there's nothing but 3 times minus sign. So minus. When you multiply the 3s, it will be 243. The 2s, it will be 32. Yes, Sanintika, where have you gone wrong?
I didn't take the reciprocal of the second number. I actually noted down the question wrong. I noted it down as positive 2. So I didn't take the reciprocal.
Okay. The answer with the third one, 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 3.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Gayatri, Aishwarya is not able to answer today, unfortunately. Sai Smriti, do you want to try this?
Yes, ma'am, but it will take some time, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll help. We'll do it together. What is 2 to the power minus 1? What's the reciprocal of the base?
1 by 2,
Negative of the power.
1.
Then reciprocal of the base.
1 by 3,
Negative of the
Power.
power. 1. So you can ignore, no? When the power is 1, you can ignore it, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now divided by. Now we'll change the division. First, we'll change the division sign to multiplication. We'll do that first. Okay, we'll change the division symbol to multiplication. So when you make division multiplication, you'll have to write the reciprocal of this one. Now tell me the reciprocal of this.
1 by 2. And we should,
No, what is the reciprocal? What are the two ways of writing the reciprocal of 2 to the power minus 3? 2 to the power minus 3. The reciprocal of 2 to the power minus 3 can be written in two ways.
yes, ma'am. 1 by 2,
The reciprocal of 2 to the power minus 3.
yes, ma'am. 1 by
Tell me.
2 whole power
1 by
3.
2 the whole power?
3
No.
minus 3.
No. You fix one answer.
Yes, ma'am, there are two ways now, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Yeah, tell me now.
1 by 2 power 3 and 1 by 2 power minus 3.
Now let me ask your friends if you're right. Yes, friends, yes. Sai Smriti, is she right? Which is right? If she's right, which one is correct, or is both right?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aishwarya. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can. Yes, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. We fixed the problem somewhat. I can hear you somewhat. Yes, ma'am. Is there a question that you are asking?
Yes. You can see the reciprocal of 2 to the power minus 3, right, on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one of the two is correct, or are both correct?
And 1 by 2. Ma'am, can I try?
No. Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. There are two ways.
Okay, you tell me the two ways, Aishwarya. Okay, let me ask the reciprocal of 2 to the power minus 3. Tell me both the ways.
So I think one of the ways is 2 by 1 to the power 3.
And the other way is 1 by 2 to the power minus 3.
Correct. 2 by 1 or nothing but 2.
Yes, ma'am. So like the first one is wrong and the second one is correct.
Correct. So change any one of the two. Either take the reciprocal of the base or the negative of the power. If you make any one of the two changes, then you're writing the reciprocal. So in this one, Sai Smriti, what you did is you took the reciprocal of the base 1 by 2 and you also wrote the negative of the power. That becomes the equivalent of 2 to the power minus 3 and not the reciprocal. When you take
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reciprocal of the base and the negative of the power, you're writing the equivalent. You're writing the
Okay, ma'am.
equivalent of 2 to the power minus 3. Yeah, you must do any one of the two changes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Just a second, children. Yeah. So division becomes, so continuing with this third one, division becomes multiplication. Let me come from the beginning because you shouldn't have forgotten what we were doing. So we're trying to solve the third one, children. We started off like this, 2 to the power minus 1. The equivalent of that is 1 by 2 into the equivalent of 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 3. Now division becomes multiplication. So we need to write the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of this can be written in two ways. You can take the reciprocal of the base and write the power as it is. Or you can write the base as it is and write the negative of the power. So we'll go with this one so that the power becomes positive. We'll go with this reciprocal so that the power is positive. So 2 to the power 3. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. You can multiply if you want into 2 into 2 into 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and the answer is 4 by 3. Correct, children? Please acknowledge. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah. Yeah, you can take a picture. No, I am giving you time
Yes,
to
ma'am,
write.
got the same.
Yeah. See, children, I'm waiting for you to write down. In case you're not able to write down or you want to write it neatly later, you can take a screenshot. I can wait for you to write down.
Yes, ma'am. Taken, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one is the fifth one, where by what number should 1 by 2 to the power minus 1? So let the number be x. Let the number be x. By what number should 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 be multiplied? So let it be multiplied by x. So that the product is minus 5 by 4, the whole power minus 1. So let the number be x. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 is multiplied by x. So that the product is minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. Is the equation understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 multiplied by x should give us minus 5 by 4 to the power minus 1. So we need to solve this and find the value of x.
So we should divide, ma'am.
Yeah, no, fine. Sai Smriti, we'll do it together. Now tell me, what is 1 by 2 to the power minus 1, Sai Smriti?
2 by 1. Ma'am, I should tell equivalent, ma'am.
Yeah, always equivalent only. Reciprocal is only like when there's a division sign and we make it multiplication, then you should write the reciprocal. Otherwise, we always write the equivalent.
Okay, ma'am. 2 by 1 power 1.
Yeah, 2 by 1 power 1 into
X
is equal to
minus 4 by
equivalent.
5
Mm.
power 1.
Now let's write it without the power 1 and all that. Okay, so what is this? 2 by 1 to the power 1, nothing but 2 into x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the value of x? X is equal to
Minus 4 by 5 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2.
okay, so it will be into 2 here. It will come down to the denominator. So x is equal to minus 4 by, okay, you can simplify it. 2 ones are, you can simplify 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it will be minus 2 by 5, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, see, in this class, we have I'll just read out the names of the offline students. Okay, the rest are all online. So, okay, see, okay, no, so that it's clear for all of you. So Aishwarya is an online student. Aishwarya Shri offline, Anantika online, Ariston online, Gayatri online. So I have only one name, Aishwarya Shri so far. Then Gayatri I said online, Harsha online. Lakshana is the next name. So Lakshana, have you opted for online because you are a resident of Trichy, but have you opted for online or offline?
Ma'am, online only.
Always online, is it?
Ma'am, I think, yeah, I'll confirm with my mom and I'll just let you know.
No, like, is it only for the month of May or do you wish to take up online classes regularly? Yeah, just let me know that, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'll ask my mom and let you know.
Yeah. So then I have only Aishwarya Shri so far. Okay, Netra is also an online student. Sai Smriti said for the month of May, you will take up classes online. So Aishwarya Shri, I have Sai Smriti, Shriya. Now, so it is only Shriya and Aishwarya Shri. Aishwarya Shri is not in the meeting today, so I'll call her and ask her. Shriya, now tell me, are you taking up online regularly or offline?
Ma'am, just for the month of May, ma'am. I'm gonna take up online classes just for the month of May.
So you're not in town?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm in Chennai.
Okay, fine. So this month you're taking up only online classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so which means that makes all of you online. So with that means so I don't have, because today I came to the center. Now I come to the center regularly. So today I came to the center. 6th standard students also. Like okay, forget them. So like nobody turned up. Only 2 students of 6th standard turned up today for the class here. Now 8th standard, all of you are online. So I thought then let me make it only online for the month of May. So Shreya, once you, meaning once school starts off, then you will take up offline classes, right? Or what is your choice of offline?
One school I'll be online. See, offline.
Okay, fine. All right.
What is the question for the solution given on the board?
Yeah. You can take a screenshot of all these questions. The 5th one, Aishwarya. The 5th one.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just take a screenshot.
Yeah.
Taken one, thank you.
Ma'am, can you please show the question screen again, ma'am?
Yeah. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So now the 6th one. Again, let the number be x. Let the number be x. By what number should minus 3 by 2 the whole power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is 9 by 4 to the power minus 2? By what number should minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3 be divided? So let it be divided by x so that the quotient, that means the answer is equal to 9 by 4 to the power minus 2. Yes, Smriti. I'm asking you because you were not there for a major part of the class, which is why I'm asking you. Shall we do this together?
This one.
Yeah.
Minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 is power, sorry, whole power minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 power 3.
Very good. Then division
Divided by
becomes, no, take away. Division becomes,
multiplication.
then x will become its,
Minus x, ma'am.
no, darling, what will you do? No, 1 minute. Supposing you have 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 9. What will be the next step?
By x, ma'am.
Hmm?
1 by x.
1 by x. So division becomes multiplication. Then you should write the reciprocal of x. The reciprocal of x is 1 by x because that's what we do. 2 by 3 into division becomes multiplication. 4 by 9 is written as 9 by 4. Whenever we have the division symbol, no, change it to multiplication. Don't continue with division symbol. Whenever you have this division symbol, change it to multiplication immediately. Division becomes multiplication and write the reciprocal of the next term is equal to, continue, Sai Smriti.
Yes, from 4/9 power 2.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Aishwarya, continue. Aishwarya, continue.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Now I want you to.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. No, tell me.
ma'am, you were saying something?
No, I want you to transpose minus 2/3 the whole cubed. I want you to transpose that.
To the other side.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it'll be 1 by x is equal to 4/9 to the power 2 divided by minus 2/3 to the power 3.
Correct.
So it
So
should
this
be,
will go to the other side for division. Divided by minus 2/3, the whole power 3. See, that's what happens. No, always see, when this one goes to the other side, goes for division. So divided by minus 2/3, the whole power 3. Correct. So 1 by x is equal to
4/9 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 by minus 2 to the power 3.
minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. So see here. So division becomes multiplication. And we need to write the reciprocal of minus 2/3, the whole cubed. Now we have two ways. Okay. So you can either write it as minus 2/3, the whole power minus 3. Or you can write it as minus 3/2, the whole power 3. We go with this. We choose this one because the power is positive. We choose the one where the power is positive. Reciprocal can be written in two ways. We choose that one where the power is positive. Reciprocal can be written in two ways. We choose that one where the power is positive. We'll work the sum again. Don't worry if you're not able to follow clearly. So it becomes 1 by x is equal to. Now, yeah, Aishwarya, after this, you cannot use any law because bases are different, powers are different. So you cannot use any law here.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
sorry. You're
tell-
supposed to write 4/9 into 4/9 into minus 3/2 into minus 3/2 into minus 3/2.
Yeah, correct.
And then we can cancel 2 and 4.
Yeah. So 2 2s and 1 4 gets cancelled. 1 9 and 2 3s get cancelled. So what's the answer? 1 by x is equal to. How many negative signs in the numerator? How many negative signs? 3. So minus into minus into minus is minus. And then we have 4 and 3. 4. Oh, you can still simplify. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So now it's 2 into 3, 6. Oh my God, I'm making so many mistakes. So this again, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So it's 2 by 3 if I'm not wrong. 2 by 3. So x is equal to minus 3/2, taking reciprocals on both the sides. Taking reciprocals
Yes,
on
ma'am.
both the sides.
I did
X is
it a bit
equal-
different, but got the same answer.
Very good. Yeah. X is equal to minus 3/2.
Well,
We'll
I
work
got
this out.
confused in the cancelling, so I did it again. And I got minus 2/3 as 1 by x.
Okay. So 1 by x, see, like 1 by x is equal to, if 1 by x is equal to 2 by 5, reciprocal of 1 by x is x. X is equal to 5/2. Taking reciprocals on both the sides. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 5. So x will be equal to 5/2. Taking reciprocals on both the sides. We'll work the sum again. We'll do it again. See, the question is, by what number should minus 3/2, the whole power minus 3, be divided? So let it be divided by x, so that the quotient is 9/4, the whole power minus 2. Okay, so again, see here, it's not important that you make this power, like, anyways, you have to transpose this. So it's not important that you have to make this power, like positive. So you can even write -3/2 the whole power -3 as it is. Division becomes multiplication. X becomes 1/x. See, you can even write this as it is. You can write this as it is. Division becomes multiplication. So x becomes its reciprocal 1/x is equal to 9/4, the whole power -2. Now transpose this one. Transpose this. So it'll be 1/x is equal to 1/x is equal to. So now, if you want to make this power positive, you can do it. So it'll be 4/9, the whole square. Now, when you transpose, this one comes to the other side for division. This comes for division to the other side. So it'll be divided by -3/2, the whole power -3. This one, when you transpose, it comes to the other side for division. So divided by, as it is, -3/2, the whole power -3. So 1/x is equal to, you can write 4/9 to 4/9 now, or you can just write it as it is and do it in the next step. So now division becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. Now you have to write the reciprocal of this one. Write the reciprocal where the power, see, you can write reciprocal in two ways. Choose that one where the power will be positive. Choose that one where the power is positive. So that means don't take the reciprocal of the base. Do not take the reciprocal of the base. So you can take the negative of the power. Don't take the reciprocal of the base. Take the negative of the power. So 1/x is equal to, 4/9. Now you can write it 2 times. 4/9 into 4/9 into -3/2 into -3/2 into -3/2. So 1/x is equal to 1/x is equal to, simplify. We have 3 negative signs, so the answer will be negative. The product will be negative. And on simplifying, 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3 3s are. So we have 1 2 left in the numerator and 1 3 left in the denominator. So -2/3. Taking reciprocals on both the sides. Somebody's mic is enabled. Disable your mic. Taking reciprocals on both sides. Taking reciprocals on both the sides. We have x is equal to -3/2. All right, children. Is that fine, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The next one. Express in standard form. See, you have to rewrite that statement also. Sometimes the statement will be given, and the number there will be in the usual form. You have to write it in the standard form and rewrite the statement. I think since we have only 15 minutes more, why don't we do the 8th and 9th one? 7 is not difficult for you. We might not have time to then do the 8th and 9th one. So I'll do the 8th one now. Yeah, the diameter of the sun is whatever meters, and Earth is something. Show that the diameter of the sun is nearly 100 times the diameter of the Earth. Okay.
Um, Ma'am, have we discussed question 7?
No, I said you were not at your place, Anantika.
Ma'am, I logged off then.
Okay. No, I said since we have 15 minutes left for today's class, question number 7 is simple for you to understand.
Yes.
So I can even share the final answers with you. So I thought we'll discuss 8 and 9 in the time we have today.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
You will understand why I'm writing it like this, children. Now, this is 9, okay? 9. Okay. To start off, 1.4 divided by 1.2756 into 10 to the power 9 minus 7. Am I right, children? Now, your question will be, why are you finding the ratio? I'll tell you that later. Just understand the working part, and then I'll tell you why I'm writing it as a ratio. Now, your question will be, you started with diameter of the sun by diameter of the earth. Why? I'll come to that later. We'll understand the numerical working. Okay, so 1.4 by 1.2756 into 10 to the power 9 minus 7, because the base are same, division, subtract the powers. So this is equal to 1.4 into 10 square, right? Divided by 1.2756. Correct? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now this is nothing but, now don't disturb the 10 square. Don't disturb this, okay? Let the 10 square remain. Now we need to get the number of 1000. We need to get the number 1000, because this is, you need to show that, let me read the question for you. We need to show that the diameter of the sun, the diameter of the sun is, where is it? Oh, 100 times, sorry, I said 1000 by mistake. So the diameter of the sun is 100 times the diameter of the earth, is what we'll have to prove. We'll have to prove that the diameter of the sun is equal. Sorry, once again. Okay, so we have to prove that the diameter of the sun is nearly 100 times the diameter of the earth. Okay, so we already got the number 100 here. 10 square is 100. Don't disturb that. Do not disturb this. So now this is 1.4 by, approximate this. This one, it's roughly equal to 1.3, right? 1.3 when you round off, when you round off 1.2756. Do you know this, children? 7 is more than 5. So you can round off 2 to 3. 1.2756 is approximately equal to 1.3. Should I explain that?
Should we divide or something?
You should not divide. No. 1 minute. See, what I'm asking you is, or what I'm trying to explain is 1.2756. Okay. Now you can round off this one. You can round off this decimal. Now the numerator is 1.4. There's only one digit after the decimal point. We're trying to do the same thing with the denominator. We're trying to have only one digit after the decimal point. Now what do we have? 1.2756. Now look at this digit 7. It's more than 5. So increase this by 1. So it's 1.3. Do we know this? Rounding off.
Yes.
If the next digit is more than 5, equal to or more than 5, take it away and add 1. See, like if you have 1.35, if you have 1.35, if this digit is 5 or more than 5, take it away and increase this by 1. So it will become 1.4. Supposing you have 1.32. 2 is less than 5. So simply remove it. That's all. You should not increase 3 by 1. Just remove it and leave it. That's it. You should not make any changes if the digit is less than 5. If it's 5 or more than 5, you can remove it and increase the previous digit by 1. So that means if it is 1.39, if it's 1.39, since 9 is more than 5, you can ignore this and increase this one by 1. So it will be 1.4. On the other hand, if you have 1.34, since 4 is less than 5, you should simply ignore this. So it's 1.3. You cannot increase it by 1. Just ignore this one. It's just 1.3.
Understood, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. So in that sense, here we have 1.2756, correct? Now this digit is more than 5. This one is more than 5. So I'll ignore this. I'll ignore all this. I'll increase this one by 1. So it becomes 1.3. Is that okay?
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, you can ask.
Then fine, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
So it's 1, 2 alone, no, ma'am.
1.3, no, because you'll have to, 7 is more than 5. So increase 2 by 1. So it's 1.3, no?
Oh, no, ma'am. 1.2756.
Okay, 1 minute. 1.2756. Okay, let's come from here. Now 6 is more than
5.
5. So remove this and increase this by 1. So what will it become? 1.276, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the 6 is more than 5. So remove this, ignore this and increase 7, meaning remove this and increase 7 by 1. So it becomes 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is more than 5. So this becomes 1.3, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Then I can do it again. I can do it again if I'm not clear, I can do it again.
No, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So that I did straight away. That's it. So 1.3. 1.3 into 100 children. See, I'm writing 1.4 as it is. 1.2756 can be rounded off to 1.3. Now we know that 5 by 5 is 1. If the numerator and denominator, that is, if the dividend and the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. If they're the same, the quotient is 1. Now this is something like 1.4 by 1.4. 1.3 is so close to 1.4. It's something like 1.4 by 1.4. So the values, actually the value will be a little more than 1 because 1.4 by 1.3, or you can make it 14 by 13. 14 by 13. What is 14 by 13? It's a little more than 1. What's the value of 14 by 13? It's a little more than 1, right? 1 by 13, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is like a little more than 1. It's 1 by 13 into 100. So it's approximately 1 into 100, which is 100. I'll write it once again for you, children. So we have diameter of the sun by the diameter of the earth is equal to 100. So when you cross multiply, you get diameter of the sun is approximately 100 times the diameter of the earth. I'll do it again. Let me do it again. Let me clear the whole thing. Let me represent diameter of the let me represent diameter of the earth like this. Sun first, diameter of the sun like this, and diameter of the earth like this is equal to. A numerator is the diameter of the sun, denominator is the diameter of the earth, which is given to us 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. So now diameter of the sun by diameter of the earth is equal to 1.4 by 1.2756. See, we need to get the number 100 because 100 times. We just need to get the number 100. Okay, so 1.4 into 1.2756 into 10 to the power 9 minus 7 is the first step. Now, approximate this one. The denominator 1.2756. 1.2756. It becomes, if you remove this one, it becomes 1.276 because there's more than 5. So that it becomes 6. Then if you remove this, it will become 1.28 because again 6 is more than 5. Then if you remove this, it becomes 1.3. It's 1.3 into 10 to the power 2. Now this is nothing but 14 by 13 into 100. Now we got the number 100. So we need to show that this is 1. Then only 1 into 100 is 100, right? We need to get the number 100 on the RHS. Only then we can say it is 100 times. So this 14 by 13, no, you should show that it's 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 13 as a mixed fraction into 100. So this is approximately equal to. So therefore, diameter of sun by diameter of earth is approximately equal to 1 into 100. So diameter of sun by diameter of earth is equal to 100. Is approximately equal to 100. You don't have to write approximately equal to. You can just write equal to. You don't have to write approximately equal to while working. So when you cross multiply, now when you cross multiply, you get diameter of the sun is equal to 100 into diameter of the earth. So this means, therefore, diameter, expand it and write it in words. Therefore, diameter of sun is approximately, when you're writing in words, you can write approximately, is approximately 100 times the diameter of the earth. The diameter of the earth. Yeah, practice this, children, you will understand. You're just looking for that number 100, that's all. So you already got 100. So then the other one, the other value should be 1. Only then 100 into 100 will be maintained. So just show that it's just say that it's approximately equal to 114 by 13. So it's approximately 1. A little more than 1, which can be treated as 1. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. Please take a picture.
Taken, ma'am.
I'll share today's recording, children. Please make sure you complete all this in your tuition notebook. And give me some time. I need to prepare the Word file and then, put this presentation, upload the presentation in the library. That will take some time. I need to prepare the Word file and then, there's a lot of work for that. So that will not happen in the near future. I might take about 2 weeks for that. So I'll share the recording with you. I'll share the recording with you, use the recording, or I can show you all the slides from the beginning now. If you have not captured the screenshots, I can show you all the slides from the beginning now. You can take a screenshot and this will be more easier. Recording, you'll have to again sit for, like this long 2 hours to get to the end of it. You can take the pictures and use the pictures, but make sure you complete all these answers in your notebook, children. Okay, we'll discuss the 9th. We'll do the 9th one and wind up the session for today.
Ma'am, can you please send the recording for me because
Yeah, recording I'll share. Yeah, I'll share the recording. Yes, I'll do that. Yeah, next one, children. 9th one. In a stack, there are 4 books, each of thickness 24 millimeters, and 6 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.015 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack in standard form? Okay. So what is the thickness of one book? Thickness of one book? 24 millimeters. So thickness of 4 books will be equal to 24 into 4. which is equal to 96 millimeter. Then thickness of one paper or one paper sheet is equal to 0.015 millimeter. There are 6 sheets. So therefore, thickness of 6 paper sheets. 6 paper sheets will be equal to 0.015 into 6. And that will be 15 6 are is 90. 15 6 are 90. We need to place a decimal point and there should be 3 digits after that. So I think it is 0.090. I hope I'm right. So 0.090, which is nothing but 0.09 millimeters. 15 6 are 90. So 0 and point. Yes, I'm right. Yeah, so the total, so the thickness of the stack. Thickness of the stack. You all understand, no? Stack meaning you have just arranged the books and papers one over the other. You have just arranged the books, all the books and the papers to form a stack. So you have to find the thickness of the stack in the standard form. So thickness of the stack will be 96 millimeters plus 0.09 millimeters. So be careful while adding 96.00, 0.09. 96.00 and 0.09. That adds up to 96.09 millimeters. So this is equal to 96.09 millimeters. Now, what is this in the standard form, children? Yeah, Sai Smriti. Standard form. Standard form. This is in the usual form. Express this number in the standard form.
Like number names.
No. A standard form meaning the scientific notation. The first part should be a value between 1 and 10. It can be 1 or anything more than 1 but less than 10 into multiplied by 10 raised to an integer. That form.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. I think you need to revise. No problem. Who can tell me that?
Ma'am, can I tell Ma'am Gayatri?
Yes, Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am, it's 9.609 into 10 power 1. Ma'am.
Into 10 to the power 1. That's nothing but 9.609 into 10 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Millimeter. So this is the thickness of the stack in the standard form. This is the thickness of the stack in the standard form, correct? Any questions here, children?
No, ma'am.
Sure. So the 8th and 7th answer alone, I'll share it on WhatsApp later. This paper, only the 7th answer I have not discussed. We have not discussed we have not shared in the class today. So that alone, I'll share it with you. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Should I show all the slides from the beginning, children? Do you want to take screenshots? Anybody here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, fine, children. I'll share the recording by 10:30 today. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call. Ariston, I'll talk to you later. I'm aware that today's class might have not been so useful for you because you have not been a part of exponents earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ariston, don't worry about that. I'll share the recording. I'll talk to you as to how you have to go about using the recordings. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll call you sometime tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ariston. Thank you so much. Thank you, children. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.